finally a car show that's basically right next to my house. Let's go look at some nice ass rides. Yeah, I'm lying. Sunshine brings the rides out, I tell you that. You can always tell whose vehicles are whose, especially when you know them for almost 30 years. But my Chevy's gonna have hydraulics, not air ride. Remember we were talking about the sunshine? What? Look at that. Look at sunshine coming off those rims. Gleaming. Dude's got some money in this S2000. Yeah, that's pretty. Even though it's a Ford, I'm a sucker for the dualies that are slammed. Car culture is rolling deep in Virginia, especially Newport News. Check all that out. Welcome back to the 60s and 50s and everything. If you guys follow my channel, you know I love unique stuff. Check this one out.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day.
A sick looking C10 sitting over in the cut. Someday, one day. I was a little late to the party. Sorry that it's short and sweet, but this car show was a pretty big turnout considering. I'm glad I got to film some of it for you guys. I know it was probably a little bit bigger than what I saw, but anyways, just goes to show you that car culture in Virginia is big. It is. It just means I need to get my truck situated. Ain't that right, honey? That's right. Anyways, stay tuned for more on my truck.
Get out of the way.
I gotta get myself together, man. I ain't playing, man. I need to get my lowrider together.